I order online, I take it out, I give you my take. This is my take on Takeout. So I might have ordered too much. I might have ordered just a little bit too much food. I am extra excited today because the Great Sage is one of the premier vegan restaurants in the area. And I may or may not have ordered 3 courses. I'm not saying. Course number 1 is the quesadilla. It has caramelized onions, chipotle, cashew, Gouda, and mashed potatoes with smoked paprika. All of that. Quesadilla. The onions and the cheese complement each other perfectly. It's not too spicy, but it's not bland either. In every bite, you get some caramelized onions, you get some chipotle cashew Gouda, and then the mashed potatoes with the smoked paprika kicks you in the back of the throat at the end. At the very end, it's like, bam, smoked paprika is here in your mouth to finish things off. It's a very unique combination of flavors. The chipotle cashew Gouda is very rich. It's very nice. It balances out the onions and the mashed potatoes. I have to say, it's probably nothing I will cook at my house, but definitely something I will order on a regular basis. Chipotle cashew Gouda. Try that at home. Course number 2 is the country style chicken and biscuits with the rosemary garlic mashed potatoes, sauteed kale, corn, green peas, celery, Gardein chicken, and a flaky home style biscuit. This country style chicken and biscuits is comfort food for your stomach. Absolutely delicious. I'm trying to get in every bite the rosemary garlic mashed potatoes, the Gardein chicken, a little bit of sauteed kale, right? Some corn, some carrots. Just get in every bite that. The kale is sauteed perfectly. The mashed potatoes are rich and delicious. The Gardein chicken is tender and juicy. Not a fan of the biscuit, I just gotta say. Not a fan of the biscuit. Love you, Great Sage, just not a fan of this biscuit. It's a good, hearty, home-style cooked meal that's vegan comfort food. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely filling. Absolutely comforting. Absolutely flavorful. The portion is perfect as well. There's just the right amount of chicken, just the right amount of vegetables, just the right amount of gravy, just the right amount of mashed potatoes. I could eat this every day. The gravy really just holds everything together. It brings everything together. Country style chicken and biscuits is a definite winner. Course number 3 is the carrot cake. It's a massive hunk of vegan dessert deliciousness. You ought to be ashamed of yourself, the Great Sage, making carrot cake this delicious. What's your problem? Why? Mad at you, Great Sage. The heck is wrong with you? You do not need to be making carrot cake this good. You do not Need to be making carrot cake this good. Don't know if you could tell or not, but I'm enjoying the carrot cake. It's got the three layers, right? You saw that. Icing in between each layer is... This is why I love finding desserts. I can't make desserts. I can't bake. I'm not a baker. I don't make desserts. So when I find vegan desserts, I lose my mind. Could you tell? In all seriousness, though, this carrot cake, it's light. It's carroty. The icing is perfectly sweetened. Not too sweet. Perfectly sweet. And of course, in every bite, you get everything. If you're in the neighborhood, grab yourself some carrot cake. If there's any left. Because I bought it all. You fed me well today. That country style chicken and biscuits was ridiculous. Quesadilla was the perfect starter. And you all know how I felt about the carrot cake. Check them out. I'm gonna go home now and dream about that carrot cake and everything that's good with the world. Appreciate your great sage.